Does your Spotify keep pausing? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue and keep your music streaming smoothly. So sit back, relax, and watch this video until the very end. So first of all, let's open up the Spotify app and then tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then when you are on the settings screen, you will see the data saver section. Under the data saver section, you want to toggle off audio quality. So if you have this toggled on, what it will do is limit the streaming and quality of whatever you are listening to if you are using data. So toggle that off. Once you do that, scroll down until you see the storage section, and you want to tap on Clear Cache. After that, go over to your device settings, and then scroll down and tap on Apps. Once you are on this screen, tap on these three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Special Access. And from these options, tap on Battery Optimization. And then tap on this and select All Apps. Scroll down and tap on Spotify, then tap on Don't Allow and tap OK. So what this will do is allow Spotify to run in the background and should fix your issue, as your songs won't pause at random. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.